Morning dear friends, I'm Victoria here. Today I'd like to share with you a simple and savourable dish which is called fried wantan. These are my ingredients here. 150 gram of chicken, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and a bit of salt, quarter teaspoon of salt, some coriander, some cabbage, and a strand of onion leaf. And these are my wantan wrappers and a bit of sesame oil. I'm blending my chicken and I'll chop my ingredients. And there's a small piece of ginger as well. And this is my blended chicken. I'm going to chop it finely. And I'll scrape my ginger. And I'll add my ingredients in the chicken. I'll give it a stir. Stir it nicely. This is how I do my wrappers, wantan. This is how you do it. Fold. And fold on the other side, same like how you did. I'll show you yet another one. That's it. Now that my wok is being heated up, what you can do, you can fry some and you can freeze the others and put them in zipper bags. Now my wok is being heated up. It's already hot. I'll drop my wantan in. I can remove it. This is how it looks. Dear friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Friends, the dish is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy your meal with your family and friends.